Okay, let's look at this picture, children. Actually, they are swing. Okay, just find out that first initial blend. Let's go for the countdown. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time up. Okay, this is the swing. Okay, next look at this picture, children. What he is doing, he is swim. Okay, let's try out this two from this two initial blend. Pick at the correct one, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Yes, W. Okay, next look at this picture, children. What is this? This is staircase. Very good. This is a staircase. Just find out the first initial blend, children. Let's count down. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, what is this initial blend? Staircase. Very good. Okay, next look at this picture, children. She is a bride. Okay, she is a bride. Okay, let's find out the first set of initial blend word, children. Bride. Okay, I'm going for the countdown. From reverse, I'm going down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, this is a bride. Bride. Okay, now let's go for this one. What is this? You will enjoy this. Okay, tell me, what is the starting sound? Initial blend. Let's go for a countdown. Yes, now I'm going to countdown from reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, it's a slider. So we have to circle the SL. Okay. Next picture, we are going to this one, the very last one. Find out the picture and find out the initial blend. Let's go for the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you find out which one is the correct word, blending word? Yes, F, L, flag. Okay. So far we have done the starting blending letters, isn't it? We have just looked at the picture and we haven't circled the starting blending letters. Okay, let's go for the next interesting exercise. Okay, children, now we are going to do a very interesting exercise. Just listen carefully. Just look at here. Say the name of each picture. We have to say the name of each picture. If C has the S sound. If, for example, listen, if this is a picture cake, but this is starting with C, but it has a S sound, we have to put a circle. Okay, if C has the S sound, we have to put circle. Okay, in case if C has a K sound, if C has a K sound, we have to underline it. Okay, if C has KS sound, we have to circle it. Listen carefully, children. If C has S sound, we have to circle. If C has K sound, we have to underline. If you are not get properly, don't worry. When we are going to do exercise, you can understand betterly. Let's look at the exercise. Listen here. This is a cake. Cake. You are hearing K sound or S sound? Yes, you are hearing a K sound. Just put an underline here. Okay, now you go here. What is the? This is a dice, dice, dice. Is you are hearing S sound or K sound? Yes, you are hearing a yes sound. Just put a circle here. Now you understand. If you get K sound, we have to underline it. If you get S sound from C, we have to circle it. Okay, just listen here. This is a cat, K sound here getting. Just put an underline. This is a corn. This is a corn. This is also having a K sound. We have just put an underline here. And let's look at the next exercise. Okay, listen here. Look at here. This is a cribe. Cribe. You are hearing a K sound or a S sound? Yes, you are hearing a K sound. Just put an underline here. This is a cup. Cup. Do you hearing a K sound or S sound? Yes, this is a K sound. Just put an underline here. Just look at this. This is a car. Okay, in C you are hearing a K sound or S sound. Car. Yeah, hearing a K sound. Just put an underline here. Let's look at this picture. She is dancing, isn't it? Dance. You're hearing a S sound or K sound? Yes, you're hearing a yes sound. So put a circle here. Okay, this is a cake. You're hearing. This is a cake. You're hearing a K sound. This is a cat. You're hearing a K sound. This is a cribe. You're hearing a K sound. And this is a car. You're hearing a K sound. Okay, let's move to this here. This is a dice. You're hearing a yes sound. This is a corn. You're hearing a K sound. And look at here. This is a cup. You're hearing a K sound. And look at here. This is a dance. You're hearing a yes sound. Okay. So far we haven't learned. In C there are two type of sound, isn't it? The C has a sometime K sound and sometime yes sound. Okay children, now you understand. Let's move to the next exercise. Okay children, listen here children, look at here children. This is a very interesting exercise as well as this is a little more tough. So listen carefully, look at the pictures carefully and pronounce it correctly, then you can easily write it. Okay, let's go for an exercise. See here, read the words in the box. Read the words in the box. We have to read the words in the box. If the word has G sound, if the word has G sound as in the gate, okay, they are telling if you pronounce gate, the same sound should be in the boxes, then write the next to the gate. Okay, we have to write the words here one by one. Okay, they are telling, listen children, one more time I am telling children, if the in the given word, if the word has a G sound as like a gate, we have to pick up the word and write it on this dash. Okay children, okay, if you are not understand, let it be. I will make you understand betterly by doing this exercise. Okay, listen, what is this? This is a gate. Just pronounce it correctly. Gate. Okay, just pronounce it correctly. Gate. The sound you are getting, the gate. Okay, now you have to read the each and every word in the given box. Just listen, this is a glass. This is a gum. Game. This is a gate. Game. Yes, you are getting the same sound as a gate. Look at here. This is a page. So not at all getting, because at starting this gate. This is a pa. No. Gym. Yes, you are getting a gate. Gym. Okay, this is a cage. Gas. This is a gel. This is a golf. Now golf will not come because the F sound. Okay, we have to find out this 3 letter. Just read one more time. Glass, gate, glass, gate, yes, glass, gum, gate, gum, yes, gum, gel, gate, gel, no, gas, yes, gas. Okay, children, we are hearing the gate sound in game, gym, glass, gum and gas. Okay, let's move to the next exercise. Okay, children, let's go to the next exercise. It's really very easy and it's really very interesting too, children. We are going to circle the words that are spelled correctly. Listen, children, in the every rectangular box they have given a 3 set of word, okay, which has a correct spelling. We have to find out the correct spelling. The first set of word is kiss, kiss, long is kiss. If you are here, kiss, no, this is a correct. Okay, let's try this one. Keys, not a keys, it's a kiss. You have to circle it like this. Okay, let's move to this is a chess, chess. This is a chess, no. This is a chess, no. This is a chess. A long yes sound is coming, no, we have to circle it. Okay, this is a spill, spill. This is a one L means then it will be pronounce it short as spill. Spill, spill, spool. Not it's a pool, it's a pool. It's not spool. It's a spill, it's a correct one. Okay, next, try for the next one. Hiss, hissed, not hissed, hiss, hiss. Okay, next, this is a press, press. This is a press, press. This is a press. Very good. Okay, next move to this one. Hill, long L sound, hill. Yes, this is a hill, this is a hill, this is a hill. Long L sound should be come. You have to circle it. Okay, this is a frill. In frogs, they will have a frill. No, that is a frill. Frill. Long L sound, frill. So long L sound means there should be a 2L, isn't it? So we have to put a circle here. Next one, this is a smell. Here also you are getting the L. L longer sound. Smell. You are not getting a E longer sound. Not a smell. Not smell. You are getting the L longer sound. Then it will be a. This one will be a correct one. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. This is a L. L. Not L or L. This is a L. L. Long L sound. Next, this is a cross. Cross. This is a cross. This is a cross. This is a cross. You are getting the yes sound longer. So we have to circle like here. Okay, children, did you understand? Let's go for one more time. Kiss, long S sound. Chess, long S sound. Spill, long L sound. Hiss, long S sound. Press, this is a long S sound. Hill, long L sound. Frill, long L sound. Smell, long L sound. L, long L sound. Cross, long yes sound. If you get something sound is longer, then the same will come along with them. Okay, the same will, if the same word will be come together, then it will be sounds like longer. Okay, one more time I'm chilling, listen carefully. If the same word come here, like for example yes, okay, if the same word come here, then it will be sounds like longer. Everything having a same word, so everything we have to be pronounce it like longer. Okay, do you understand, children? Let's go for a next exercise. Okay, children, let's go for a next exercise. Complete each word with the correct ending letters. Okay, we have to find out the each picture and we have to write the remaining letters. For example, listen, children, this is a bell. bell. You're getting the longer sound of L. So we have to put double L. Bell. This is a dress. Dress. Okay. You're getting the S sound longer, isn't it? Dress. Dress. Okay. She is yelling. Yelling means shouting loudly. Yell. Yell. You are getting the L sound long. You have to put double L. Okay, children. Okay, this is they are playing a chess. Chess. Not chess. This is a chess. You are getting the S sound longer. We have to put a S here. Chess. Okay. Now here, just see it here. She is spilling. Spill. Spill. You are getting the L sound. Okay, this is a cross. Cross. You are hearing any S sound? Yes. This is a S is short or long sound? Long. We have to put double S here. Okay, what he is doing? He is tossing the coin, isn't it? Toss. Toss. Yes, sound, but it's longer, so we have to put a double S. Okay, listen here. Your children is kissing her mother. Kiss. Kiss. Yes, you're hearing a yes sound longer. Listen, children. I'm revising one more time. Listen carefully. This is a bell. Bell. Dress. Dress. Yell. Yell. Chess. Chess. Spill. Spill. Cross. Cross. Toss. Toss. Kiss. Kiss. In this exercise, we have learnt the longer pronunciation, isn't it? If listen, children, I'm telling, if the same word comes together, we have to pronounce it longer. Okay, children, let's go to the next exercise.